So to make a really good dip, I have an idea. So we have some artichoke hearts, this Mediterranean cream cheese spread. This is really good. Cottage cheese and some shredded up kale. It says steam fresh, but actually this is like the least fresh kale I've ever had, I think. But I mean, it's still good, but if you compare it to the stuff that we pick right out of the garden, it doesn't compare. But we're gonna try to put all this together. I've had some dips that are similar to this, but I'm just gonna try using what we got with some cottage cheese and see how this turns out. So let's go ahead and add these chopped up artichoke hearts. Scrape those in. And these measurements that I'm putting in here aren't exactly precise. So I already microwaved the steam fresh kale. Probably should get a pair of scissors, but it worked. Now let's go ahead and put this in. Now, I mean, I gotta say, it does not look that fresh, but it is good. It is very good. So we're gonna add that in there. And I may have wanted a bigger bowl, but this may work. Let's see. So now let's go ahead and add this into the bowl. There we go. And we can add some of the Mediterranean dip. Don't you hate it when that lid always comes off like that? It always rips. Okay, now we'll scoop this in. And just start stirring that in, and I think we'll definitely need a little bit of more. I'm adding in the third one right now. And this looks like the right amount. It's starting to look like a spinach dip. Definitely starting to look good. So now we'll add a bit of cottage cheese. And actually, I mean, I did say this is starting to look like a spinach dip. It's not a spinach dip, actually. It's just, it has kale, but it just looks like a spinach dip. So we'll go ahead and stir in the cottage cheese. Definitely have some interesting smells. Definitely smells good. I can smell the artichoke, and I can smell the Mediterranean cheese. It's a Mediterranean dip. I'm gonna go ahead and put in all the cottage cheese. Looks like one container. Seems to be the right amount. Stir that in as well. On these corn tortilla chips, and see how good this dip is. Let's get the perfect amount on. There we go. Right. Definitely is really good. I'm a fan of that. It turned out really good. It didn't take too many ingredients. We kind of just mixed a few things together, and this definitely turned out really good. It tastes really good. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.